Okay, we're going to test the manifold air pressure gauge. We've got 5 volts going in. Here's the gauge. It's connected to the vacuum chamber. At nominal air pressure, it is at 4.25 volts. And you can see the gauge down there at the bottom. Let's turn the pump on and watch what happens. It's non-linear, but that's a pretty good range for the probe. I'm getting down there. It doesn't appear to have bottomed out. I mean, the pump is plateauing, but so at 0.2. So we'll turn the pump off. Everything's holding pressure, which is nice. I'm going to have to let some out. And here we go. Wow, it's really holding the value for a long time, like it didn't want to go down. It could be that the pipe collapsed, the tube to the sensor. I don't think this tubing I'm using is rated for vacuum, or intended for vacuum. It'll be interesting to compare the compression voltages that were measured to the decompression voltages. So I'm going to hold at 3. Let's see, the sensor is holding pretty good at the same value, so and then come all the way down to 0, and we're back to 4 1/4 volts.